committee. So first, let me express my gratitude to the former chairman, Mr. Teodoro Stella, for his outstanding contribution to the committee's good performance. As Carlos previously mentioned, Teodoro is now the General Director of Water of the Ministry for Ecological Transition and Demographic Challenge of Spain. In the documentation attached to the call for this meeting, you can see that the work of this committee is based on 3 pillars. Next, please. The first one is alliance. The second one, next, please, is publications and reports. And the third pillar is conference, events, and meetings. Next one, please. We have alliance with different organizations such as UN Water. Next one, please. Okay. With this organization, we have alliance to publish a series of 4 water monographs that have already been released. Now, WCCE has approached UNESCO's IHP to broaden this monograph's scope. Next one, please. In 2016, we signed an agreement with the International Network of Basin Organizations, INBO. Our focal point at INBO will be Ramiro Martinez, and we are in talks with this organization to have a couple of 3 seminars during this year. Next one, please. We also have an alliance with the International Association on Hydro Environment and Engineering and Research to publish 2 scientific journals jointly. The first one, next one, please, is a Journal of Applied Water Engineering and Research, JAWER. This journal's impact factor and the downloads have increased a lot during last years. The appointment of Miguel Ángel Pérez as new deputy editor has been submitted to this assembly for approval. And also in the other journal is the Journal of Ibero-American Water Issues, Revista Iberoamericana del Agua, RIBAGUA, and it's published in Spanish and Portuguese. And Mr. Justo Mora, a member of this committee, is the deputy editor. Next one, please. The next one, okay, perfect. We also collaborate in the working group on water of the World Federation of Engineering Organization. This group is hosted jointly by Spain's Instituto de la Ingeniería de España and Portugal's Orden dos Engenheiros. WCCE's past president, Mr. Tomás Sancho, is the chairman of this group. The work of this working group will comprise the 2019 and 2021 3-year period. During this period, there are 3 monographs scheduled. The first one was released in 2019. It was about managing droughts and floods, best practice and engineering contribution. The second one is achieving SDG 6, water goals, contribution from engineering. Right now, a draft report has been presented. And the last report topic is adaptation to climate change, water and engineering contribution. This report will be released at the end of this year. And finally, the next one, please. Next one. The next one. We also submitted last year a memorandum of understanding to ICOL, International Committee of Large Dams, and we are in conversations with them to have a web seminar this year. And finally, the former president of this committee was an active member at the OECD Water Governance Initiative. Okay, and that's all. You have more detailed things about this in the documentation provided for this assembly. Thank you very much.